Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Dark and Darker game on your PC. Guys, first you have to open up your end browser and just search for the Steam, and Steam website will appear on the top. So just open up this Steam website, and here you will see the login option on the right hand top. So just click on that login option, and here guys just sign into your account, and if you don't have an account then just create an account. And once you created the account, then click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. And guys, here just download the Steam and install it into your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy process. After that, just open up the Steam and then click on the top search box and just type here the Dark and Darker. And now guys, this game will appear on the top. So just click on the Dark and Darker game you are seeing on the top. And this game is for free. And here you just need to select your date of birth. Then just click on the view page option, so I can just select any random date of birth. Then here you just need to scroll down and you will see option of add to library. So just click on that option of add to library. Now this game was added to your Steam library. You can directly download and install it. Then click on the library option you are seeing on the top, and here on the left hand side you will find this game, which is the Dark and Darker. Just click on that, click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye.